Hello and welcome to Feature Friday with the Right Choice Group at Keller Williams Realty. I'm Barbie Johnson and today we are featuring Crawlspace Remediation, a locally owned and operated business serving Lafayette and surrounding communities. Crawlspace Remediation is your professional crawlspace repair service for residential and commercial needs. They specialize in mold removal, crawlspace repair, including general cleanout, insulation services, install of crawlspace door for easy access, excavation if your crawlspace doesn't allow enough clearance, structural damage repair such as foundation damage or sagging floors, and they also offer indoor air quality testing. You can check out their extremely helpful website to learn more at crawlspaceremediation.com. Find them on Facebook to see jobs they have completed and find their hours of operation. Call them at 765-637-5775 or email them at office@crawlspaceremediation.com to speak about getting a free evaluation today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share this post, brought to you by the Right Choice Group at Keller Williams Realty.